Last question, because I just want to get some experience from you about throwing rubbish.
Yeah.
This is what I want to learn and share to Cambodian.
He is the best tour guide គាត់គឺជាការថាមគ្គុទ្ទេសក៍ដ៏ឆ្នើមគឺជាមគ្គុទ្ទេសក៍ដ៏ប្រកែចឹងហ៎បងបាទសូមគោរពជម្រាបសួរលោកឪពុកអ្នកម្ដាយបងប្អូនយើងទាំងអស់គ្នានៅក្នុង Channel ដេករៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេសជាទីគោរពស្រឡាញ់ថ្ងៃនេះយើងមករៀនបន្តទៀតអំពីក្បួនអានពាក្យអង់គ្លេសឲ្យបានច្បាស់ណាបងប្អូនបាទចេះស្រៈទាំងអស់នេះយើងអានភាសាអង់គ្លេសដោយទំនុកចិត្តហើយដោយពឹងខ្លួនឯងណាបងប្អូនណាហើយឥឡូវនេះយើងចូលមកដល់វីដេអូទី23ហើយសម្រាប់បងប្អូនដែលមានសៀវភៅនេះនៅក្នុងដៃបងប្អូនបើកមកទំព័រទី95ណាបងប្អូនហើយបងប្អូនដែលត្រូវការជាវសៀវភៅឆាតទៅ page ដេករៀនបានឲ្យតែសៀវភៅដេករៀនជាវទាំងអស់ទៅមិនឥតប្រយោជន៍ទេបងប្អូនព្រោះអ្វីដែលខ្ញុំធ្វើនោះគឺខ្ញុំព្យាយាមអស់ពីលទ្ធភាពណាបងប្អូនណាចឹងខ្ញុំដាក់បេះដូងខ្ញុំមានបេះដូងស្មោះ I have a pure heart តែទៅនឹងស្រៈអ៊ូតើពាក្យណាខ្លះដែលយើងរៀនសង្កេតមកស្មើនឹងស្រៈអ៊ូហើយបងប្អូនអត់តាន់ចាំអក្សរនេះទេទៅមើលវីដេអូទី1មកណាអូខេរៀនម្ដងតិចម្ដងតិចបងប្អូនខ្ញុំធ្វើវីដេអូ free តើណ៎អញ្ចឹង U or E ចំណាំណា U or E ស្មើនឹងស្រៈអ៊ូនេះអ៊ូអ៊ូបាទឧទាហរណ៍pure pure 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 អូខេបាទឧទាហរណ៍គេថាម៉េចទៅ I would like a bottle of pure drinking water pure water ក៏បាន pure drinking water ក៏បានអញ្ចឹង I would like a bottle of ពាក្យថា a bottle of ខ្ញុំប្រែថាមួយដប a bottle of pure drinking water អញ្ចឹង I would like a bottle of pure drinking water ខ្ញុំត្រូវការទឹកសុទ្ធមួយដបនេះទឹកសុទ្ធមួយដបដើម្បីញ៉ាំណាអូខេបាទមកមួយទៀត sureអូខេ sure ច្បាស់ឬក៏ប្រកាសចិត្តច្បាស់លាស់ណា sure អូខេបាទឧទាហរណ៍ I am not sure how old she is I am not sure ខ្ញុំមិនច្បាស់ទេថា how old she is នាងនឹងអាយុប្រមាណអត់ច្បាស់ទេនេះមិនមែនជាប្រយោគសំណួរទេណាបងប្អូនបាទឧទាហរណ៍ថាខ្ញុំមិនច្បាស់ទេថាអ្នកអាយុប្រមាណ I am not sure how old you are អូខេអញ្ចឹង I am not sure បើតែអត់ច្បាស់ទេតានាងអាយុប៉ុន្មានអូខេបាទមកមួយទៀត we are sure that she is 40 គឺច្បាស់ព្រោះម្ដាយរបស់ខ្ញុំរឿងអីដែលថាមិនច្បាស់ឧទាហរណ៍យើងច្បាស់ថាអាយុម្ដាយរបស់យើងអាយុ40ឆ្នាំអីចឹងណាអញ្ចឹង we are sure that she is 40 គឺ 40 years old អូខេយើងច្បាស់ណាស់ថាគាត់គឺអាយុ40ឆ្នាំព្រោះខ្ញុំជាកូនគាត់ហើយខ្ញុំដឹងមែនទេអញ្ចឹងមិញU or E ស្មើនឹងស្រៈអ៊ូអានេះ O U or ក៏ស្មើនឹងស្រៈអ៊ូដែរអូខេស្រៈអ៊ូទៅមុខទៀតយើងរៀនសង្កេតពាក្យណានិយមអានខុសខ្ញុំយកមកបរៀនឥឡូវយើងរៀនរៈសិនណាអូខេអញ្ចឹងឧទាហរណ៍ពាក្យនេះ tour ដំណើរទេសចរការដើរលេងអីចឹងណាបងប្អូនគាត់ tour អូខេបាទឧទាហរណ៍ we will be on tour to Paris this year ចឹង we will be on tour បែរថាយើងនឹងធ្វើដំណើរ we will be on tour ទៅណាគឺ to Paris this year យើងនឹងធ្វើដំណើរកំសាន្តទៅប្រទេសទៅប៉ារីសឆ្នាំនេះប៉ារីសហ្នឹងមិនមែនប្រទេសប៉ារីសបងប្អូនទីក្រុងប៉ារីសប្រទេសបារាំងអើយនឹងថ្ងៃណាមានវាសនាទៅអឺរ៉ុបគេទេបងប្អូនអើយបាទតែវាសនាមនុស្សមើលមិនឃើញណាបងប្អូនណាថាមិនត្រូវណាសាប់បងប្អូនគុណសិស្សណាចង់ទៅនាលោកគ្រូទៅលេងប៉ារីសអីទៅមើលមិនឃើញ Well beyond tour to Paris this year យើងនឹងធ្វើដំណើរទៅកាន់ទីក្រុងប៉ារីសឆ្នាំនេះមកមួយទៀត He is the best tour guide បាទ He is the best tour guide យើងប្រែថាគាត់គឺជាមគ្គទេស the best tour guide ហ្នឹងប្រែថាគឺជាពាក្យថា tour guide យើងប្រែថាមគ្គទេសមគ្គទេសគឺអ្នកនាំផ្លូវណា the best ហ្នឹងគឺល្អខ្លាំងមែនទេអញ្ចឹង he is the best tour guide គាត់គឺជាគេថាមគ្គទេសដ៏ឆ្នើមគឺជាមគ្គទេសដ៏ប្រកែចឹងណាបងប្អូនបាទអញ្ចឹងគាត់នឹងប្រកែបងប្អូនបាទ so he's the best tour guide បាទអូខេបាទ
In Cambodia, there are many students they want to learn, but they feel like they are poor because they are too poor to learn. Like maybe they have no standard school, like professional school, but they really want to know. They really want to learn, but they feel hopeless. Like I am poor, so maybe I cannot learn English or I cannot go on or. As you know, right, in Cambodian people, when we are studying and then, it's time to work, stomach first, no study.
Yeah.
So they feel like, still think I'm poor, I cannot learn, I'm poor, I cannot. And some students, when they are young, they have no opportunity to study. But when they get married, have children, their lifestyle is better. They really want to learn, but they have children.
Yeah.
So, Pante, do you have any dharma to encourage them, like the poor people, this thing they cannot learn, and some students, some people, they have children, they think that they are busy, they cannot learn. So, what can we do?
Yes, we can all learn. Learning looks very different. You know, sometimes it's not only about formal education, but there's a lot of informal education that we learn, like coming here to Cambodia, learning how people say hello to each other or interact, the customs and the different kind of way things are done. This kind of more like intuitive learning, right? Interacting with people. That's also a form of learning. It doesn't have to be in books. So sometimes we think learning has to be at a school, has to come from a book, has to come from a teacher. But you can learn so much even through your own experience, learning art, learning craftsmanship, building things, fixing things. I think there's too much focus on this very formal, academic, kind of Western style learning, and we forget about the other kind of learning, like the learning you get from your parents. Our parents teach us so much how to be a good person, right? Also the monks, they teach us how to be a good person. Nature teaches us. We learn from looking around, looking at the animals also. But I understand why people focus on the academic, because they want a better life, right? They usually study academics or they study a different language because they want to make more money to provide for their family. But now we have such a beautiful thing called the internet. You know, basically, if you can afford to go on the internet, you can learn anything you want. You don't even need to go to a school. You don't need a diploma to speak English. Some people have many diplomas and their English is terrible, right? Master's degree in English, but when you speak to them, it's not good. Some people don't have a degree in English, right? And they speak very well. Right? So it has nothing to do with the certificate. The certificate doesn't really matter. The certificate is just kind of for you to show other people, for you to get a job or to make yourself feel good. But your own skills, right? Your ability to communicate or your ability to do something well, that is the proof, right? You are your own proof. You don't need some external validation, right? I think young people always want external validation. That's why they need likes, they need comments, they need shares, they need all these things. They want other people to tell them how great they are. But you don't need other people. You know for yourself what level you're at, right? And you should know that little by little, you're going to get better. So my advice to those people is that if you want to learn, use the internet. I mean, there's things like on YouTube and on TikTok and on Instagram, so many people are teaching for free, right? Like people are teaching for free. Even if you want to learn Buddhism, you can go to suttacentral.net and the entire Tipitaka is there in English, Spanish, in Thai, in Pali, and so many languages. You can learn the teachings of the Buddha for free. So many monks are giving Dhamma talks on YouTube. You can listen to the teachings of the Buddha. So you can learn on your own at your own pace, and it can look very different. You don't need to go to a school. You don't need a formal education to be a smart person or a wise person, right? So I just want to give that encouragement for people really to take this opportunity of the internet, and also not to seek external validation, right? I think so much suffering in this world happens because we want someone else to approve or to say, oh, you're good, your English is good, or your math is good, or your history is good. You don't need other people praising you, right? You know for yourself how much you know, and be confident in your own ability. Even if you only know 3 words in a language, right? You have to be confident in using those words. At least I know 3, right? These 3 I feel good. So I think that's my advice that I give people.